Introducing the 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, a tonneau cover, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.